Hey guys, let me tell you this. My name is Sorel. Then I've been doing income tax for the past 18 years. You can trust me, the #1 tax preparer in Florida, right here. So trust me with your finance. Trust me to get your tax done for you right. I'm talking to travel nurses. I know a lot of them are exempt. Please do not exempt, especially if you making between $150,000 and up. You know what's gonna happen if you exempt. Number one, you're gonna owe IRS a lot of money. Then they will charge you penalties and interest. So it's better to pay your taxes. It's better to pay your fair share as soon as you get the money. I know you probably put money in the savings, or you say you're gonna pay at the end of the tax season. But what you have to understand, and you didn't know, is they will charge you penalty, interest, and that money. So all travel nurses, Texas, California, New York, all over the United States, my name is Sorel. I'm the #1 tax preparer in Florida. This is an important message for you. Listen to me, then that will save you thousands of dollars. That will save you headaches, trouble, and problems with Internal Revenue Service. Fais-moi confiance parce que payer taxe, c'est un bagage important pour faire. Pas dire l'offre une fait taxe on va payer après. Also, if you're self-employed, you own a business, you're making $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, even $200,000, $250,000, $1 million, you need to contact me. 1-800-731-6092. 1-800-731-6092. This is a toll-free number. You can call me free anywhere in the United States. And also, if you're local, you can reach me in 305-433-5686. Again, 305-433-5686. Folks, let me help you get it done. And I can get it done for you right. Trust me with your finance, individual, business taxes, and also we give you up to 50% discount if you're a first-time client. Thank you so much. Please share this with your group, with your friends, family member. Then see you next time. Remember, February 12th, next week, next Friday, coming up, there will be the opening of the tax season. And it will be ready for you. Now, in the tooth moon, not only you're gonna make the maximum refund, your tax is gonna get done right, and I give you 3 years guarantee in your tax, personal and business. And also, you have a chance to win $10,000 at the end of the tax season. More people you refer, more customer, more clients, more chance for you to get the $10,000. And also, every person you refer, you get a $50 discount right away. Thank you.